In this video I will show you how to download PS2 BIOS on PC and how to easily dump PS2 BIOS on PCSX2, PS2 emulator. Step 1. Download PS2 BIOS.rar file and extract it using WinRAR software. Download link in the description. Step 2. Open extracted folder and copy BIOS folder. Step 3. Go to Documents folder and open PCSX2 folder. And paste BIOS folder here. Step 4. Close this tab and open PCSX2 PS2 emulator. Step 5. Click on Config option and then click on Plugins BIOS selector. Step 6. Click on BIOS icon and then click on Browse option. Step 7. Go to Documents and open PCSX2 folder, then select BIOS folder. Step 8. Select any BIOS ROM and click on Apply button, then click OK. If you want to check BIOS ROM working or not on PCSX2 PS2 emulator, select ISO game file and boot ISO, full. Double-click on PCSX2 screen to make PCSX2 full screen. PS2 BIOS is successfully working on PCSX2 PS2 emulator. Play any PS2 game on your PC using PCSX2 PS2 emulator. Enjoy!